Hello guys, today we are going to learn about how to install AMPL software in Windows. We are going to follow these steps. First, go to ampl.com and then go to product, AMPL, and for students. Go to demo version for student only and then download a free demo. And then choose for regular Windows, just choose 64-bit. Unless you are using an old book, just choose the 32-bit version, and then we wait for the download to be finished. And when finished, open the zip file, go to the directory where it is downloaded, and then extract it whenever you like. For example, in my case, I just put it in download. Then this is the directory of your AMPL software. Open it, and then to open the AMPL IDE, just double click ampl.exe. If you want to, this is only for the command line GUI. If you want, for regular user, they use this. Go to AMPL and then ampl.exe. So this is the final result. If you have any question or request, just comment down below. Thank you.